Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair these true wireless sound Go02 earbuds with any Android phone or tablet. So before the pairing, quick information, just remember to charge your earbuds inside, in this case, for like 20 or 30 minutes, and also turn off previously connected devices. So right now you have to open this charging case and simply remove both earbuds from this case. As you can see right here, we can find the ring LED icons, and on this one, that's actually the left one, on the left one you will find that this LED ring is blinking left and the right side, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. So put them close to your Android device, go to the Bluetooth, click to pair new device, and from available devices list select your G02 True Wireless Sound earbuds, accept the pairing, and there we go. Right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.